Today I'm going to show you how to add HTML to Squarespace step by step so you can embed custom code, add extra functionality, and customize your page exactly the way you want. This is a super useful skill if you want to insert widgets, buttons, forms, styled text, or any other HTML snippet into your Squarespace site without getting confused. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to the page where you want to add the HTML. Once you're on the correct page, look at the top left corner and click Edit. This unlocks the page so you can make changes inside the Fluid Engine Grid layout. If you've never used this before, don't worry. Think of it like opening the editing workspace so you can place content exactly where you want it on the page. Now that the page is in edit mode, look for the section container where you want to insert the code. In the top left corner of that section, click Add Block. This is where Squarespace lets you insert different types of content blocks such as text, images, buttons, and code. From the list of block options, choose Code, which is marked with the little angle bracket symbol. After you add the code block, click the block component itself. Then click the pencil icon, which opens the editing panel for that block. This is where you'll configure the content and make sure Squarespace understands that you want to use HTML, not plain text or another format. In the Settings drop-down menu, make sure the format mode is set to HTML. This part is important because if the block is not set to HTML, your code may not display or function the way you expect. Once the format is set correctly, click inside the code window and delete any default text that may already be there. Squarespace sometimes includes placeholder content, and you want a clean field before pasting your own snippet. Now paste in your custom HTML code snippet. This could be anything from a simple div, a link, an embedded element, or a custom layout snippet depending on what you're trying to build. After pasting your code, double check it to make sure there are no missing tags or formatting mistakes. A small error in HTML can affect how the block renders on the page, so it's always worth taking a second look. Once everything looks good, save your changes and preview the page. This lets you confirm that the HTML block is showing up correctly and behaving the way you intended. If something looks off, go back into the block, adjust the code, and test it again. That's the nice thing about Squarespace. You can make changes quickly and refine them as needed. And that's it. You now know how to add HTML to Squarespace using a code block in Fluid Engine. This is one of the easiest ways to customize your site and add advanced features without needing to rebuild the entire page. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.